Hello children, welcome to the Kids TV. Today we will learn vegetables name. Curry leaf. This is curry leaf. Drumstick. This is drumstick. Eggplant. This is eggplant. Elephant foot yam. This is elephant foot yam. Fava beans. This is fava beans. Fennel. This is fennel. Fenugreek leaf. This is fenugreek leaf. Garlic. This is garlic. Ginger. This is ginger. Green beans. This is green beans. Green chilli. This is green chilli. Indian gooseberry. This is Indian gooseberry. Kidney beans. This is kidney beans. Kohlrabi. This is kohlrabi. Ladyfinger. This is ladyfinger. Maize. This is maize. Mouse melon. This is mouse melon. Mushroom. This is mushroom. Mustard greens. This is mustard greens. Corn. This is corn. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.